So, your boy Brafubs is back. Okay, this is the trade that we took. I just want to show you guys we traded off the spring. I'm not gonna show you guys too much because you guys still messaging and still asking me what am I looking for, what am I seeing, why am I taking a trade. So I don't want to keep this too long. I just want the people who understands Wyckoff to basically benefit from this. People who know what they're looking for in Wyckoff, people who are maybe not profitable, but they're just missing something in their trading that could potentially make them profitable. Okay, so let's start from the top. Monthly is bullish, 100% bullish. But remember, even in the most bullish of markets, we can still have a bearish retracement that we can trade off of. This is probably what we're trading right now. And then on the weekly we have the potential to actually shift bearish, right? We're still bullish on the weekly, but there's the potential to shift bearish. It all depends on how this week closes and what next week does. So if we see this week closing obviously bearish, then we know that the market is still that the market is in a bearish play right now. But if we see this candle close bullish, then we could have a potential push to the upside. Okay, but the reason being why I do not consider this as a bullish yet, even though it has a bullish signal, because anything can happen, and I don't have a real schematic to really trade off of. We do have one that's forming very in a very extended manner. Okay, but so you can argue and say this is your Salus climax, secondary test, the secondary test in phase B, but it's too overextended. So I'm not even gonna consider it, because this could be the spring year where we are right now, and we could be potentially moving up. But even so, we do have a reaction here, so we're still playing the retracement of that action. Okay, but I'm predicting a bearish push due to the fact that if you look at the market structure, okay, the market structure is running something like that. I'm not gonna draw it out for you. Okay, so yeah, you could argue is a break of structure, but it's not really that powerful because the candles that actually broke this area were play candles. They weren't anything significant. I know you guys are gonna message and ask me, and but at this moment I cannot give a lot of people my attention because privately I am coaching some people. So it was partly why I've been missing out on some content. But just look on the 5 minute of today. You'll be able to see the schematic. It's a bit of an extended schematic, but you'll be able to see it. And you'll be able to know how we capitalized off this if you have an understanding of Wyckoff and maybe some SMC background of SMC knowledge, because on an ICT SMC level you can clearly see that he has an order block over here on the 4 hour that we reacted off from it already, but now we're back into it. We're back into that order block. We need to see what's happening. But on the 1 hour you can see it's clear what is happening. Okay, you have this early order block that people entered as well on the 1 hour, when people saw, okay, the market came to come and touch there, came to come and touch there again, maybe took some sales. These people here right now, their stop loss is knocked out. The people that is trading off this fair value gap are the ones that are profitable right now because It just happens to align with some sort of Wyckoff schematic that is playing out here. This is the reason for this drop. Okay, so like I say, guys, trading is very subjective, because if you learn the same thing, okay, you're not going to see the same thing, because the chart examples that you're going to learn happen in the past, but future examples are not going to happen the same way the previous examples happened. Hence why you need a deeper overall understanding of what is happening and why people place trades, where they place trades, and how to become profitable, how to trade in alignment with basically smart money or institutions. That is all what you need to learn. And I don't offer any of this at the moment to teach people exactly what I'm looking for in the market and why I'm trading, where I am trading. So for now, this is just a guide to teach you guys something so that you can actually maybe make a little bit of money and then maybe become profitable in your own right. But for now, I want you guys to go over my previous videos as well. You'd see examples of NASDAQ. I just felt that today US30 was much cleaner to trade, because NASDAQ I was predicting a spike up, okay, which I see we didn't get really, but there's still a potential for us to get what we're looking for. Because on the NASDAQ, you can look at it mainly from more of a 15-minute perspective, right? Looking at it from a 15-minute perspective, we didn't get exactly what we're looking for. So I believe that we're gonna still play in this area, then maybe have a spike up and then maybe come down. But overall on this pair as well, we're still bearish. We're still bearish on this pair. I didn't trade it today because as you can see, that market open didn't do much. It just wasn't looking right for me to trade. But however, US30 on this end, I'm closing another position. US30 on this end was looking much more tradable, so to say. You know, it did take the liquidity of a previous day, or basically Friday last week. It's Monday now, so hopefully we can trade into this area, perhaps make a stronger push to the downside. I'll just leave this trade, let it run, and see exactly what's gonna happen. And if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, click the link in the bio, join the group. There is a free group. Do what you need to do. From tomorrow on, we'll be hosting more sessions just to get people started in the forex industry. So guys, this is Bra Fubs. Take it easy. Don't message me to ask me what and where and why you're taking trades, because I do not have the time to help you. But from my group, perhaps I can perhaps the question that you have may have been answered in the group or in the session. So guys, hope you guys are profitable. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Trade safe, guys. Profubs is out.